Hello everyone. Today we are introducing about worksheet, Excel worksheet. How we can select a worksheet, we can insert a worksheet, rename a worksheet, move a worksheet, delete a worksheet, and copy a worksheet. These are we will discuss in this video. If you are at first time to this channel, I request you to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, then you will get recent videos. Okay, first of all, a worksheet is a collection of cells where you keep and manipulate the data. Each Excel workbook can contain multiple worksheets. How we can select a worksheet? When you open an Excel workbook, Excel automatically select sheet 1 for you. Excel automatically select sheet 1 for you. When we take a new workbook, we are coming down save button. Here clicking. This is a new worksheet. Excel automatically open select sheet 1 for you. Here we can see sheet 1. The name of the worksheet appears on its sheet tab at the bottom of the document window. Insert a worksheet. How we can insert a new worksheet? You can insert as many worksheets as you want. To quickly insert a new worksheet, click the plus sign at the bottom of the document window. Plus sign at the bottom of the document window. Rename a worksheet. To give a worksheet a more specific name, execute the following step. Right click on the sheet tab of sheet number 1. Here, right click. Choose rename. We can type in say 2019. Move a worksheet. How we can move a worksheet? To move a worksheet, click on the sheet tab of the worksheet you want to move and drag it into the new position. Click and drag into new position. Okay. Delete a worksheet. Delete a To delete a worksheet, right click. To delete a worksheet, right click on a sheet tab and choose the delete. Choose the delete. Next. copy a worksheet. Imagine you have got the style for 2019. You have got the styles for 2019 ready and want to create the exact same sheet for 2020. But with different data, you can recreate the worksheet. But this is the time consuming. It is a lot of it is a lot easier to copy the entire worksheet and only change the numbers. Right click on the sheet tab, right click on the sheet tab, then click select move or copy. Select move to and check create a copy. Then click OK. Here we can see sale 2092. Rename this one as sale 2000. Then click OK. Note: you can even copy a worksheet to another Excel workbook by selecting the specific workbook from the drop-down list. Okay, I think you have understood my words. So I request you for subscribing my channel if you are at first time, and please give your opinions and comments on this video.